Around the World in 80 Days. All question answers of Chapter 1 to 6. Chapter 1. 1. Why was Mr. Fogg such a mystery? Give 2 reasons. Mr. Fogg was mysterious because of his precise habits and reserved nature, keeping his personal life private. 2. The writer says Mr. Fogg was not greedy. How can it be proved? Mr. Fogg's modest lifestyle and lack of interest in wealth or luxury prove he was not greedy. 3. The new servant had done various jobs. What were they? The new servant had been a valet, a singer, a fireman, and even a professor of gymnastics. 4. What jobs were to be done between 8 in the morning till 11:30 when Mr. Fogg left for the club? Between 8 a.m. and 11:30 a.m., Passepartout was to serve tea and toast to Mr. Fogg, which would be followed by providing him with shaving water. Chapter 2. 1. Why did Passepartout compare his new master to people at Madame Tussauds? Passepartout compared his master to people at Madame Tussauds because Mr. Fogg's appearance and demeanor were so precise and seemingly artificial. 2. What did Passepartout observe about his master? Passepartout observed that his master was very punctual and lived a highly regulated life. 3. How was the servant a contrast to his master? The servant, Passepartout, was more spontaneous and expressive, a contrast to Mr. Fogg's reserved and methodical nature. 4. What made Passepartout show that his master had most peaceful habits? Passepartout was sure of his master's peaceful habits because he observed Mr. Fogg never losing his temper or showing signs of anxiety. Chapter 3. 1. What was the main topic of discussion at the Reform Club? The main topic of discussion at the Reform Club was whether it was possible to travel around the world in 80 days. 2. Why were members of the Reform Club especially interested in this topic? Members of the Reform Club were especially interested because Phileas Fogg had proposed to do so and wagered a large sum of money on it. 3. How could Phileas Fogg prove that the world had become smaller? Phileas Fogg could prove the world had become smaller by demonstrating that modern transportation made it possible to travel around it in a significantly shorter time. 4. What were the serious results of Mr. Fogg's claim that you could go round the world in 80 days? The serious results included skepticism from the Reform Club members, as well as Mr. Fogg's commitment to a substantial wager to prove his claim. 5. How did Mr. Fogg behave after making his wager? After making his wager, Mr. Fogg remained calm and composed, showing no sign of anxiety or hesitation. Chapter 4. 1. Give a reason for Passepartout not answering when his master called him. Passepartout did not answer because he was preoccupied with his thoughts about the bet and its consequences. 2. Why was Passepartout about to collapse? Passepartout was about to collapse due to the shock of hearing his master's decision of traveling round the world with him. 3. Why did Passepartout cling to the carpetbag? Passepartout clung to the carpetbag because it contained £20,000 in it. 4. What had Passepartout forgotten? Passepartout had forgotten to turn off the gas in his room. Chapter 5. 1. Why did Mr. Fogg's departure from London create a sensation? Mr. Fogg's departure from London created a sensation because it was a bold and daring project that had never been attempted before. 2. What did the newspapers think of Mr. Fogg's project. The newspapers thought that Mr. Fogg's project was impossible and that he was crazy to even attempt it. 3. Which incident deprived Mr. Fogg of all support? The incident that deprived Mr. Fogg of all support was the news of the robbery at the Bank of England, which made people suspicious of Mr. Fogg's motives for traveling around the world. Chapter 6. 1. Why was Mr. Fix waiting at the quay for the Mongolia to arrive? Mr. Fix was waiting to arrest Phileas Fogg, suspecting him of being a bank robber. 2. Give a reason why Passepartout could not get his master's passport visa. Passepartout couldn't get the visa because his master needed to personally go to the consul to establish his identity. 3. What did Mr. Fix need to arrest Phileas Fogg? Mr. Fix needed a